Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove extensions or add-ons on Microsoft Edge. To remove or uninstall extensions or add-ons on Microsoft Edge, first, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. Then, select Settings and More at the top corner of the browser. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Extensions. When you're done, a pop-up window will open. Here, you can see all the installed extensions on your Edge browser. Click on the three dots menu and select the Remove from Microsoft Edge option. On the next pop-up, click the Remove button. That's it. Selected extensions will no more exist on your Edge browser. Goodbye. See you in the next video.